Big developments tonight in the search for a COVID-19 vaccine. Drug maker Pfizer saying an early look at data from human trials suggests its vaccine is more than 90% effective.
Yeah, the pharmaceutical giant says it'll now be applying for emergency use authorization from the FDA as soon as final data meets safety milestones. The company expects that to happen in the third week of November. If eventually approved, the vaccine will require patients to receive 2 shots, with the second coming 21 days after the first. Word of caution in all of this, though, we've still got a long way to go before a vaccine is widely available, but this is certainly a big step in the right direction.
Once a vaccine is given the go-ahead, how would it be rolled out? All kinds of planning and logistical strategies go into play here. And tonight we're going inside a Valley clinic, getting an up-close look at how they're preparing and the challenges they're expected to face. Here's ABC15's Cameron Polam with a story that's all new at 10.
Tonight, we're inside one of the first Valley Health clinics approved to distribute a potential coronavirus vaccine. Their application getting the green light in large part because of these freezers. They operate at -80 degrees Celsius, and they're the key to distributing a number of potential coronavirus vaccines at Redirect Health in Phoenix.
Each freezer would probably hold about 400,
400 vials of a potentially life-saving medicine. Redirect Health has a freezer like this at 3 locations across the county. The clinic was recently approved by the state to distribute a vaccine once available.
We'll be approved to give the vaccine that's held in a deep freezer type environment.
2 leading vaccines, Moderna and Pfizer, are required to be stored at sub-zero temperatures. The latter making headlines today after researchers announced Pfizer's vaccine is so far more than 90% effective in phase 3 trials.
Some years the flu vaccine is 50 to 55%. Some years it's 70 to 80% effective.
Dr. Andrew Carroll says if that effectiveness holds up, it's a remarkable achievement. But he adds many questions still remain.
It doesn't say anything to how long it lasts. It doesn't say that it's a lifelong vaccine or if it's just 6 months.
Redirect Health hopes to deliver up to 1,200 shots a day once a vaccine is rolled out. But how they'll do it, by appointment or drive up, still needs to be worked out.
But I want to get as many out as is possible. Obviously, we may need to staff up in order to do so.
How many will also depend on the supply and how many vaccines are approved. Dr. Carroll says solutions for storing vaccines are already being thought up to increase the number of locations providing it.
There's contingency plans to provide things like dry ice to offices such as mine to be able to supply those. And we've already been shopping for an ultra-low freezer anyway.
The FDA has yet to approve any of the vaccines at this point, but things are moving quickly. Arizonans can expect to get their first doses of the vaccine in the first or second quarter of 2021. I'm Cameron Polam, ABC 15, Arizona.
Also tonight.